This video, I will show you how to connect a Phantom wallet to Bullx. To get started, go ahead and open your Bullx account on the Bullx website. So in here, you'll get redirected into the new first section. So if you're actually new to Bullx, there would be a portion for getting started where you can actually download or save your private key. So you can actually copy that from there. If you're actually in Bullx for a long time, you can simply create a new wallet on Bullx and download your private key. Once you have downloaded your private key for that new wallet, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. Hit on the Add New Wallet at the top left of your screen and select Import Private Key. Now on there, you just need to go ahead and paste your private key, or upload your private key and name your wallet. And you can simply connect your Phantom Wallet to your Bullx account. And that is basically how you can do that. If you're new to Bullx, you can go ahead and click on the invite link in the description box to be able to skip the wait list for account creation and be able to immediately log in or create an account on the platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.